Service in Indianapolis has issued
I live in Indianapolis.
northeastern Davies County, Greene County, northern Martin County until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Linton, or 30 miles southeast of Terre Haute, and moving southeast at
Here, I'm
35
gonna turn
miles
up the
per hour.
volume.
In addition, at Midland, rotating wall cloud was reported by train spotters at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time with this storm. This storm has a history of producing ping-pong-sized hail as well. Locations impacted include Bloomfield, Worthington, Swift City, Lyons, Newberry, Crane, Burns City.
DirecTV.
Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
Now I want to make yourself hear it. There, bye.
The NWS in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Washington County in southwest Pennsylvania until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, NWS Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. The storm was located 10 miles south of Claysville, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include, but are not limited to, Washington, Canonsburg, Burgettstown, McMurray, and Monongahela. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report hail, strong winds, or wind damage to the NWS by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely.
Here we go. Here we go. That's all we had. EAS severe thunderstorm warning, not a tornado. I thought it was a tornado in Pennsylvania. So you try to find this a severe thunderstorm. If there was a tornado in Pennsylvania, it would give it an accident.